Hey, good day everyone, it's Mike and Jen from Finding Fish. Welcome to Cuba and welcome to Havana. Now this is our first time ever in La Habana. We decided to leave our resort. We ended up taking a cab, which was amazing. We took a convertible from Memories Jibacoa into La Habana, and it took probably about at least an hour.
At least an hour, but it was a nice drive. He would pull over and let us see some of the sights on our way.
Totally. And today we're actually getting a guided tour because Jenny and I have been waiting to come to this city for years.
For a long time.
But I wasn't allowed to come until Jenny was with me. This morning we're being taken around the city by Mary, and she is going to give us a guided tour. She knows the city well. She doesn't live here, but she loves to come here.
Loves it here.
So we thought, you know what? We only have so many hours in La Habana, so we better do it right. Anyway, we're here to check out the sights and sounds and to see absolutely everything that we can within 5 hours. So join us, because I think today is going to be amazing. Now, our tour is starting off today in the old part of Havana, as I would say, English speaking, La Habana for Spanish. And Mary's gonna take us around and she's gonna show us the sights and sounds of this fantastic city. Like, I'm so glad I'm here. This has been on my bucket list for years, and it's on so many people's bucket list. And there's a reason why that you wanna come here. So our day is basically starting off in Old Havana, where it meets New Havana. Now, we just went and checked out Ernest Hemingway's little hideout where you can go only get one kind of drink.
Mojitos.
They only serve mojitos, and if you're coming there, you better bring a credit card because they don't take cash. It was a fantastic way just to start and get broken into Havana.
Yeah.
Because right now, literally, we've only been here 15 minutes, and it's exactly what I was hoping it would be.
It's kind of exactly how you picture it.
It's a Friday, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. I would think it's about 80 degrees out.
Yeah.
There's a great breeze down here. I thought maybe it'd be really hot, but it's fantastic. But anyway, let's keep going. So this is an old pharmacy right down in the heart of old Cuba. Cash register still works. The smell of wood in here it's amazing. It smells beautiful, and so many tourists are down here taking pictures because it's absolutely stunning. So not only is this a pharmacy, but back in the day, the guy that invented this place, it was a laboratory where he actually came up everything that was being sold in here. So as a tourist, we're allowed to go to all these rooftops, no problem? See, I would never have known that. So we're gonna go into this hotel and we're gonna go to the rooftop and check it out. This is fantastic. This is incredible. Okay. We're going in?
All this. 1924.
1924?
Oh, this company.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
We are 100 years.
Otis. We're in an Otis elevator. 1924.
This is pretty incredible.
By the way, I am the curator.
Are you?
Yeah.
You've got a fantastic job.
Thank you. Gracias. estoy abajo. Yo lo he traqueteado, pero si hay alguien que suba.
This is beautiful. Welcome to Havana. Wow.
This is gorgeous.
I actually have goosebumps right now because this is fantastic. This is what I was hoping it was going to be.
Banda was playing traditional music.
That's the biggest house.
Biggest house of Havana.
Wow.
Has a garden in the middle with Columbus statue in the middle too.
So beautiful.
All of the blue tanks on top of the water.
Like, I can honestly see why this is on the bucket list of people from all over the world, eh?
Absolutely.
Like,
You can just stare and look at all of the buildings,
Yeah.
and different rooftops.
it's so cool. Now, if you are coming here and you're looking for somewhere to stay, well, you can stay at that place. I believe it starts about 80 US for one person per night. If you go online, you'll probably get a better deal. But if you want to stay in the heart of Havana, well, this place could be for you. It is fantastic down here. It's a living museum.
Yeah, basically.
And if you're coming here, like, you get to go to a museum at the only of the cost of your accommodation, your drinks, your food, and you get to see history that is still working.
Yeah.
That place has been in business since 1791, making handcrafted perfumes. We're getting a real deal mojito here. Looks fantastic. We got a few peanuts, and away we go. So if you're coming to the city, it has something for everyone. If you want to learn about aqueducts from the 15th century, Havana has it. If you want to learn about textile companies that have turned themselves into hotels,
Right.
they have that for you too. If you want to go to rooftop patios,
Yeah, the perfume company.
the perfume company that's still in existence today from 1791, I believe.
Yeah. Creating
This-
perfumes right there still.
Yeah. Now, one thing that I would recommend as a Canadian, if you're coming here, I would convert your money into euros or US dollars before coming here, because as a Canadian tourist, it's not going to be good for you. 3 drinks, Havana Club in a gorgeous place in downtown Havana. It was 65 Canadian dollars for 3 drinks. Or 21 US, but guess what? Or 21 euros, we were out of the US
We
dollars.
didn't bring the US, so
So if you're coming here, realize one thing. Bring lots of US, bring euros, and in small denominations, because your change will be given back to you in Cuban. Remember that.
yeah, that's a good point.
Anyway, live and learn.
Square
Old Square?
was created for the market,
Okay.
budgeted for selling.
Wow.
Every building is different.
Oh, I'll give it to you 1 second. Now, last but not least, if you're coming here, bring great walking shoes. You're gonna need them. Light colored clothes, you're gonna need them. Small denominated bills, you're gonna need them. US dollars or euros, you're gonna need them. And guess what? You're gonna have a great time.
Oh, amazing time.
Like we always say, like and subscribe, and guess what? We'll see you in the next video.
Oh yeah, frio, frio. Cheersy.
Okay, we just had to have a little beer break.
Oh, that's so good.
Something that we could afford.
Live and learn. Hey.
Oh, that's better.
That's way better.
And we continue.
We could have had 60 of these beers.